Hi guys, in previous video I had taught you how to do the shading of ear, and in this video I'm going to do the shading of neck. So let's start with the tutorial. This video is very much similar to the face shading tutorial. You can check that video on my channel page, and the process is very similar. I'm starting with the lightest pencil HB and blending it with cotton and slowly increasing the grade of pencil and blending it with cotton or paper stump. I'm doing this process in every layer and leaving the space for the highlight, and in some areas I'm erasing also. I'm doing this process until I get the right value as the reference have. Here's our neck is complete. In next video I'm going to do the shading of hair. Okay guys, see you in the next video.